What if I told you that you could use Google to travel into the future? No, this isn't science fiction. It's a powerful search hack I call the Google Time Machine, and today, I'm going to show you how to use it to predict the future of luxury marinas. Stick around because this is going to blow your mind. So, how does it work? We're not just doing a simple search. We're recombining Google's advanced search tools with the stunning visual power of Google Earth to uncover what's coming next. Imagine peering into 2026, seeing the blueprints of tomorrow's most exclusive coastal developments before they even break ground. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to blast off into space with Google Earth. Look at this incredible view of our planet. Now we're zooming in, tearing through the clouds, down to the coastline of a future hotspot for yachting. Watch as we land right on the deck of a stunning 3D modeled yacht, floating in a marina that doesn't even exist yet. This is where the real magic happens. Okay, now for the secret sauce. Open up your Google search bar. We're going to use two specific commands. Type in your search query, let's say marina construction patents, and then add this, after 2025 and before 2026. What this does is filter out all the noise from the past and present. It tells Google to only show you results from a very specific future window. You're now looking at patent filings, urban planning documents, and early-stage project proposals that haven't hit the mainstream news yet. These are the digital breadcrumbs leading to the future. You can see architectural designs, new technologies for eco-friendly docks, and even the names of the companies spearheading these massive projects. This isn't just a prediction, it's a glimpse into data that already exists, hidden in plain sight. You can apply this time machine technique to almost any industry, from tech gadgets to fashion trends. It's about thinking like a digital archaeologist of the future. By combining visual exploration with laser-focused search commands, you can spot trends and opportunities that everyone else will only see years from now. So next time you use Google, remember it's not just a search engine. It's a time machine. You just need to know how to use it. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more hacks that give you a peek into the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.